Happy birthday, pare Ninong. Ah, bihira naman talaga yung 85 years na aabot tayo ng 85. Napakalaking achievement na yun sa party mo at kailangan 3 lechon ang dapat ang ihain mo sa mesa. Yung pwede naman yung 2 lechon. Dito mo napaluto sa sa Pilipinas kung andito si Ardin, okay lang sa kanya namin kukunin. Okay ba, Ninong? Kaya sana masaya ka sa mga darating pang mga birthdays na papasukin mo yung 86, 87, 88, 89, 100. Happy birthday!
Enjoy life, Kuya Rusty. Have a blessed happy birthday.
Hello, Lolo Rusty. Happy 85th birthday. I hope you have many more to come. Love you.
Good morning, Papa Resty. Happy birthday. May God bless you with strength, happiness, contentment, joy, and all the gifts of the Holy Spirit on your special day. I'm very happy that you have very strong knees, that you can go to church every day there in Canada. May you touch many more lives in at least 15 more years of your life. God bless you always, and enjoy your happy day with family and friends. Bye!
Happy 85th birthday, Tuto. Today, you celebrate 85 years of existence filled with love, wisdom, and countless wonderful memories. Thank you for being an inspiring role model and a trusted friend and a cherished member of our family. Wishing you more wonderful years ahead, filled with joy, love, and every happiness you deserve. At 85, you are a testament and resilience and grace, showing us that age is just a number when it comes to living life to the fullest. Enjoy your special day. God bless you.
Hello, Tito Rusty. Happy 85th birthday. We're so happy that you reached this important milestone in your life. As you may know, Pamilya Ganda has a very short lifespan. So with you reaching 85 is a blessing. So I don't know if Alan still remembers you, because our last day there we stayed at your house. He's still just 5 years old, but we've been showing pictures and we're so proud of your accomplishment. And again, happy 85th birthday. Hinay-hinay lang sa panliligaw dyan, but no, we know how much you misses Tita, and yeah, give our regards to the rest of the gang, and see you soon. Hopefully we could pay you guys a visit, and hopefully you can visit us too here in Los Angeles. So again, happy birthday, and God bless you more.
God bless you.
Bye.
More birthdays.
Habol pa. Bye.
To 100.
Ay, meron pa rin.
Why not?
Sige. Ano pa? How about you?
Happy birthday po.
That's it? Happy birthday!
Okay. Enjoy your day, Tito Resty and the family.
Hello, Kuya Wesley. Good afternoon dito sa Pilipinas. Happy birthday po. More blessing. Sana nabigyan ka pa ni Lord ng lakas, tsaka gandang kalusugan. Happy birthday, Kuya Wesley.
Happy birthday po, Tito Resty.
Happy birthday.
Wishing you good health and happy life. Enjoy po kayo dyan. Miss na namin kayo ng community dito.
Community 1 na tayo. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Cheers for good life. And have a great celebration. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan?
Bye-bye po.
Hello po, Papa, Tito Resty. Just want to say happy birthday, happy 85th birthday. Wishing you all the best, good health, and continue to be an inspiration for all of us who is God-fearing and always a humble individual who inspire me very well, and also Arlene and Karen. Take care of your health. God bless you and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.
Hello po, Uncle Resty. Kumusta po kayo sa happy 85th birthday po sa inyo? You have more birthdays to come, more candles to blow, more cakes to slice, and more wine to drink. Wishing you God health po and more ingat po kayo pala. God bless you always. Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Sige, Tio.
Happy birthday.
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
Lolo. Anak,
Lolo.
happy birthday.
Lolo.
Hello po, Uncle Ariston. Happy 85th birthday of yours. Wishing joy, good health, and happiness today and always. May you have many more birthdays to come in your life. God bless. Once again, happy birthday.
Hello kapatid, maligayang karawan sa iyong ika-85 taong pagdiriwang ng iyong pagsilang. Nawa patuloy kang biyaan ng Panginoon ng mahaba pang buhay para sa katawan. Namimiss ka na namin. Mahaba na rin ang ating nagkalayo. Bagamat nakikita tayo paminsan-minsan sa Messenger. Hindi sapat, pero binabati kita sa iyong ika 85 ka. Sana marating ko rin ng ganyang edad o mas mahigit ako pa sa malayang lakbayan pa. Nawa patuloy kang pagpalain sa iyong yun dyan sa Canada. At yun naman ay ganoon din na umaasa ang muling kapalaran dito. Muli, maraming karoon pa ang nawa dumating sa iyo.
Happy birthday, Resty.
yun nga ay sinasabi nga ni Romulo, ang haba ng panahon na na-miss ka namin sa iyong bilang isang kuya sa komunidad. At napakalaking bagay ang nagkasama-sama tayo noon. Maraming bagay ang ating pinagsamahan bilang isang magkakapatid at isang grasya at regalo ng Diyos na ikaw ay maging 85 years old. No? Sana marating din namin noon. Nawa ay patuloy kang bigyan ng sapat na kalakasan nandyan sa Canada at sapat na kaligayahan sa piling ng iyong mga anak. At hindi man tayo nakita-kita na sa mga physical, patuloy namin ikaw pinapanalangin at ang ating komunidad na sana isang araw uli magkita-kita tayo na buong saya tulad ng mga kondibensya na napakalaking miss sa atin yan. At nawa ay sana sa araw ng iyong kaarawan ay maging masaya ka sa iyong special day. At sana ay tulungan tayo pare-pareho ng Diyos sa ating journey na sa ibang lugar na tayo. Medyo malayo na tayo sa komunidad. Malayo man tayo sa komunidad ay hindi pa rin tayo ating mga puso ay patuloy pa rin na nanatili sa ating journey bilang isang kakomunidad namin. Ikaw ay aming kuya at aming minahal din. Na napakabuti ang puso mo. Ikaw ay alam ko na pinagpipray mo rin kaming mag-asawa. Ayan lang. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Uncle. We wish you a good health and many more years to come. Have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye.
Hello, Tay. Kamusta po kayo dyan? Alam kong nasa maayos kayo dyan kasama ni Karen at ni Bernard at ni Bea. Tay, happy birthday po. Namimiss na ho namin kayo. Sana huwag niyong pabayaan ang katawan niyo, yung maintenance niyo, huwag niyong kakalimutan. At mahal na mahal po kayo, Tay. Hello, Kuya. Kamusta ka na dyan? Namimiss ka na namin. Happy birthday. Sana nasa mabuti kang kalagayan. At lagi mong iingatan ang sarili mo dyan, Kuya. Nakikita ko yung mga post mo, ang kakapal ng yelo. Mag-iingat ka, huwag ka masyadong lalabas. I love you, I miss you. Happy birthday. I love you.
Lolo Ariston, happy birthday. We love you. Mag-iingat po kayo dyan.
Happy birthday.
I love you, Kuya. Happy birthday.
We will love you. Ingat po kayo dyan. Love you. Day.
Maayong aga, Tay Ariston. Happy 85 birthday. Thank you, Lord. Kabay pa tagaan pagid ikaw sang madamo pagid nga birthday kag maayong lawas. God bless always, Tay Ariston.
Kuya Resty, happy birthday!
Kuya Resty! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kuya Resty! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kuya Resty! Yeah. Happy birthday, Kuya Resty! Happy birthday, Kuya Resty!
Hi, Tito Rusty. Happy 85th birthday. Wishing you good health and happiness on your special day. Ingat po lagi.
Happy birthday, Rusty. We thank the Lord for this gift. May His presence remain with you always. I am truly grateful for being a part of your journey. Let's rejoice and celebrate. Ciao!
Hope your day is filled with love and laughter, and wish you all the
Happy 85th birthday, Lola Ariston. Wishing you good health and happiness. Enjoy your special day from your loved ones in Pangasinan.
Hello, Tito Rusty. Happy birthday. May you have many, many more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. I wish for good health and more blessings for you and your family. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Uncle.
Hi, Lolo.
Hi, Lolo.
Happy birthday, Col.
God bless you always, Uncle.
And good health.
Hi, Tito Resty. Ninong Resty, how are you? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Wow, 85 years. What a blessing. It's really a living testament of life filled with wisdom and wonderful memories. Hope you have a wonderful celebration with your loved ones, and wishing you peace and good health always. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Birthday, Lola Resty. Ingat po kayo.
Hello, Kuya Resty! Kumusta ka na dyan? Malapit ang birthday mo. Happy 85th birthday mo, ha. Mag-iingat ka palagi at lakasan mo ang katawan mo. Nakakapag-jogging ka pa ba dyan o nakakapag-walking ka? Siguro by by autumn. Yan, pwede ka na makapaglakad-lakad. Okay. Thank you very much. Happy birthday and God bless you more.
Hello, Tito Resty. Kamusta ka na? Happy 85th birthday. Palagay ko kung nandito ka, nagmakdo na tayo. Ayun lang. Sana hindi ka magkasakit dahil palagi malamig dyan. Ingat-ingat palagi. Namimiss ka na namin dito. Sana nadadasal mo pa rin ang iyong Psalter, yung Christian prayer. Again, happy birthday, Tito Resty. Ingat-ingat. Bye.
Hello, Mang Resty. Happy birthday po. More birthdays to come. Super good health and God bless always. Miss na namin po kayo ni Bunso. Happy birthday po ulit. See you soon.
Enjoy ka lang dyan. Mahal ka ng Diyos. Mahal ka ng pamilya mo. Mahal ka ng mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi, Uncle! Happy 85th birthday! Sana po biyayaan ka pa ng ating Panginoong Diyos ng marami pang taon at may malusog na pangangatawan.
Just keep strong and healthy. More years to celebrate ahead. God bless po.
Hello, Kuya.
Kuya, happy birthday.
Kami nag-asawa, babati ng happy birthday.
Sana ibigyan ka pa ng maraming taon ng ating Panginoong Diyos.
Kasama ng iyong pamilya dyan na sa kabila ng lamig na nararanasan mo ngayon ay nawa manatili kang malakas.
Nawa ingatan kayo ng ating Panginoong Diyos ng lahat ng araw. Ilayo kayo sa kapamakan at biyayaan kayo ng magandang kalusugan sa Pilipina.
Miss ka na namin ng community, Kuya, dito.
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday po ulit. Love you.
Hi, Lola Ariston. May your day be filled with joy, laughter, and happiness. Wishing you more years of good health and wonderful memories. Happy birthday, Lola Ariston.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Tito!
Uncle Resty.
Enjoy your birthday. You are 85 but you look so young.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
We miss you. Come back and celebrate birthday here in the Philippines. With all our love and prayer. Jimmy and Ruby. Enjoy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo. May the Lord continue to bless you, give you strength, and more wonderful years to celebrate. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hello.
Ano na? Tayo. Hello! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ay, ikaw ay 85 na, ah. Magaling ah. 85 na raw. So, happy
85 na?
Yeah.
Oh, di mas matanda siya sa akin.
Kamusta kayo dyan? Oh, malamig pa, sabi mo? Okay. Hopefully, bigyan pa ng maraming taon na mag-enjoy ka dyan sa Canada kasama sila Karen at saka yung apo mo. Oh, happy birthday!
Okay, happy birthday!
Ano bang makakain natin ngayon? Meron ba tayong dyan? Yung,
may lechon?
Hindi, yung
ano?
Yung shrimp na yung nilasing na shrimp.
Nilasing na shrimp?
Oo.
Okay, saan kayo mag-celebrate? Sige. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hi, Tito Resty! Happy 85th birthday! Sana lagi kang masaya at lagi kang malakas, hindi lang physically but also spiritually. We miss you na here. We miss you na here. Sana ay lalo na ngayon na nasa Lenten season na naman tayo, and then ilang tulog na lang at Easter na, no? Namimiss ka namin sa mga Easter agape kasama si Arlene. Pero alam ko naman na kahit nasaan ka, palagi ka rin namang nagsisimba. Sabi nga hard habit to break na, no? And I believe na once rooted ka na talaga sa Diyos ay kahit nasaan ka, talagang simbahan pa rin ang hahanapin mo, no? At natutuwa naman ako, no, na ayun, nakikita ka namin na active pa rin, no? Kahit kasama mo yung apo mo, no? Andun pa rin yung pagnanasa, no, na makapunta ng simbahan. So Tito Resty, sana patuloy ka pang magkaroon ng lakas, no, dahil alam ko naman na may mission ka pa rin dyan, no, sa mga anak mo. Sana ay yun, no, na pagpanalangin mo kami, no, ipanalangin mo kami at the same way na pinapanalangin ka rin namin, kasama ka palagi sa mga panalangin namin. Yun lang, and ingat ka dyan palagi, and yun lang, good health, and ihanap mo kaya ako dyan ng apam. Joke lang. So yun lang, Tito Resty, ingat ka palagi, happy birthday, bye. Happy birthday ulit, Tito Resty, for the second time. Bye, ingat.
Hi, Uncle Reste. Kumusta po? Wish you more birthdays to come. Good health and God bless you. Happy birthday. Bye. Amping palagi.
Happy birthday, Uncle Ariston. Yak Nidin.
Happy birthday, Ariston.
Happy birthday.
Hello, Tito Resty. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday ulit.
Long life.
Third time. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tito Ninong! Ang wish po namin sa iyo ay good health.
And $1 million!
Yeah! We miss you! Ingat po kayo dyan!
Hello po, Lolo Ariston. Ako po pala si Mark. anak po ni Boy Dohilio, and happy birthday po, and may this special day bring you endless joy and unforgettable memories. Happy birthday!
Happy 85th birthday, Tito Resty! Praying for your good health and many more birthdays to come.
We miss you po. Hope we can visit you there.
Happy birthday, Lolo Resty. All the best.
Happy birthday, Kuya Resty. More birthdays to come and good health. We miss you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Every year, we celebrate our birthday, and today you're celebrating your 85th birthday. May God bless you and keep you always in His command. May He give you more meaningful years of your life. And thank you for sharing your love. Thank you for sharing your daughter to us. Happy birthday, Papa Resty.
Hi, happy birthday. Ano tagaan ka sa Ginoo sing malawig nga kabuhi kag kanon sa buong adlaw, malipayon ka upod ang pamilya. Greetings coming from family Palomar family.
Good morning,
Happy 85th birthday. More blessings to come. Good health, good life, long life. I miss you and I love you. From the Philippines with love.
So, kumusta ka na to? Happy birthday. Nani, tagaan ka pa siyang Ginoo nga malawig nga kabuhi. Kabayot pa nga maglawig pagin ang madamo pagin mag-abot nga birthday sa imo. Amo lang ina, madamo ka salamat. Happy birthday, Liwad.
Kumusta ka na, Ariston? Happy birthday.